I show you a lot of the night spots in the Philippines, Manila, Makati, especially Poblacion Makati, but there are a ton of clubs, there are casinos, there are all kinds of outrageous party spots here in Pasay, Manila, House Manila. Let's check it out. Tonight, it's the weekly Makati group Couchsurfing meetup at the social. I'm attending. Let's see how it goes. There's been a complete, like, insane remodeling of H&J. Like, there's a huge new space behind, like, a secret, like, revolving door. There's, like, couches, big seating tables. Like, it's all totally new. Hello.
Be, sabihin mo, kailan kami sunod? No favorite.
No, I don't want to be in video.
Yeah.
It's like a secret door. When they close it, it just looks like a wall. But behind it is the new H&J. It's awesome.
Do you wanna play, baby?
With you.
But you have to put your name on the... Ay, David, over, brother. Okay.
Well, I don't eat rice. No rice. All right, one bite of rice. That's good.
Chick.
God, that's so good.
Chick, baby.
You guys have seen me feature the Buccaneers bar, the premier rum bar in the Philippines, probably a lot of times on my channel, and that's where I'm headed right now. I'm actually splitting from H&J, which is a fantastic scene because they have this new backroom blues bar. Anyway, my bro's at Bucks. He said, bro, it's breaking off, it's jumping off. You gotta come up. And of course, he's my bro. I gotta go say hi. Let's see if I end up there or back at H&J. Hi, Manila, baby. Before I even get into the bar, just check out the scene, man. It's out of control. Leaving Buccaneers, it's early. It's like midnight, maybe 1 a.m. Oh yeah, there she is.
Talaga?
Yeah, baby.
My brother.
I'm with my bro again. See,
From
we're
another
bros.
mother.
We're bros. Street food. This is the street food, like motorcycle slash side cart cooking station. Cheap eats and probably not super healthy, and if you're not acclimated to Manila, will make you like sick for 3 days on the toilet kind of eats. Yeah.
This one said this is the regular canton.
You're buying
Regular
that whole
canton,
fucking
yeah.
thing?
No, it's not. I already had the
Oh, this is
food.
what you got. Okay. All right, so we're doing the street food thing to go, and Rose crashed out. I know it's rough, especially if you're doing it every day. But whatever it is you do, to be strong and to be healthy, be savage. Don't quit. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Guys, if you want to meet your Filipino dream girl, I am going to recommend one of the best ranked Philippines dating websites. Check out the link that I have in the description below. It's for christianfilipina.com. So we're going to meet a quality girl, a girl that's got the right kind of values, because guys, trust is everything, and there is nothing better than having a loyal Filipina as your girlfriend. So click on that link, check it out. Don't waste your time getting played.